Now, they do not make gas for this one. Don't be bullshitting me. Once you get done into that store, you will not be paid gas. Now, if you go out there and help them out, they'll give you gas. Well, oh, there's no haggling too. There's no haggling too. You don't have to go back.